Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about that how to make money with stock photography. If you are a photographer looking to make a bit more money, you have probably been tempted or at least at some point to go into stock photography. Maybe you are hoping to be able to do something with 100 of unused photos jerking about on various hard drives. Or maybe the idea of having someone else sell your photo was appealing. Or perhaps you have seen a number of stock photos and said to yourself, I could do better than that. Or maybe it just seemed like a relatively easy way to make money. The first thing I have to tell you that it's not quite so easy. Not impossible, the way some bloggers and long-time stock photographers would make it sound. But not quite a walk into a park either. A web is full of comments like do not quit your day job. Sitting side by side, I make $100 a month in stock photography and you can too, which is true. Well, arguments can be made for both. You can make real money off of stock photography. Possibly. Can you just upload all photos that are just taking too much space on your hard drive and make money? Probably not, unless those photos are over the moon fantastic and meet the current need of today's stock photography buyers. There is an art to make the stock photograph business work for you and the competition is fierce, but it can be done. Now what is stock photography? Stock photography is simply a term for genetic imagery that buyers use for their virtual content in everything from news stories, blogs, and website to design material for ads or promotional materials. It's much cheaper than hiring a photographer and is generally sold through a platform that specializes in keeping a large library full of such images, so that buyers have a number of different options to choose from. Think of stock photography as the opposite of custom-made photographs, which are licensed directly to a client and are original work created specially for that client's purpose. For example, if I need a high-quality image for a happy family eating dinner together, hiring a photographer to find all the models and put together the food, props, and lighting would be quite expensive. It would be far easier and cheaper to find one on a stock photograph site and pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars. Can you make money with stock photography? Yes, you can, but it's definitely not easy. While there are plenty of stock photographers who make a decent living, there are easily as many more who do not. Things have changed dramatically in the 15 or more years micro stock has been available. In the early days, it was too much easier to earn enough income to live off. There wasn't as many images out there and the market wasn't saturated with photographers. These days, however, the industry's matured and the supply of the image is vastly outpacking demand. Shutterstock alone has over 225 million images with over 1 million more added every week. This means that to succeed, contributors have to work hard and smarter than they did, say, 15 years ago, when microstock was just starting. The good news is that while you might not make a full-time living of it, it's generally not too difficult to earn up to a place of earning a few $100s a month. It takes a while and you'll need to upload a lot of images. But a little bit of dedication, $200 to $500 a month is definitely doable. How much can you earn as a stock photographer? How long does it take to upload 6,000 high-quality, non-similar images? Well, if you work full-time and have a family, 200 images a month will probably be a bit much. With focus, you could probably manage 100 images a month. 50 is certainly quite doable. At 100 images a month, it would take you 5 years to reach 6,000 images mark. I know photographers who have managed to get $200 or $300 passive income in just 2 years. Either way, it's not a get-rich quality scheme. Most photographers will need at least 3 years to get to that level, and if you are a busy bee, you'll need the full 5. Of course, there are some photographers who get lucky in that their niche happens to be in a wide demand, or they're traveling all the time and can take amazing images of places that haven't yet been blown out of the market. This is how you can make money with stock photography. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.